Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back to my channel if you are returning, and if you are new, welcome. I am so happy you decided to join me here today. This video is a part of the Talented Creator Challenge. I'll talk a little bit more about that further on into the video. So today I'm bringing you 5 easy, budget-friendly tier tray summer DIYs, so let's jump in. This is a little box from Dollar Tree. I'm removing the outer part. I'm going to save that for another DIY. And I painted the inside with white acrylic paint from Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to take the stem, wood stem, that's also from Dollar Tree, and glue that at the bottom for it to stand on. And then I am going to place a design on the box using some yellow and green paint. So I damped the brush in a little water and pick up a little of the yellow and a little of the green, and as you notice, the green overpowered the yellow. And I'm just stroking that across the box diagonally, just to blend in both colors evenly. And there is no perfect way to do this. I'm just doing this to get an effect that I think would go well with what I had in mind. You can do yours however you want to do yours. You can make the strokes solid, or you can make them blending just like you see I'm doing here, or you can leave the box plain. It doesn't matter, or you can paint the box green or paint the box yellow. It depends on your taste. I need both the yellow and the green together, so that's what I'm doing here until I'm satisfied with how I want it to look. And before you start painting, place a piece of tape at the bottom where you plan to put the wood stem, and that is to ensure that the wood glue would hold both the stem and the box together, because wood to wood bonds perfectly. And now it's all done. I took some apple barrel nutmeg brown, watered that down a little bit, and distressed the inside. Now you can leave yours plain. I thought that it would look more finished if I distress the inside. And now that's done, I dried it. And now I'm ready to glue the stem on. I'm using some wood glue from Dollar Tree, as well as hot glue, because you want that instant hold. I applied the wood glue to the stem as well as to the box, half of it, and then some hot glue. And that should hold fine. Now I'm taking this Farmers Market 2023 calendar, and I'm removing the thumbnail that says fresh lemons, and I trim that down, and I'm going to use that to cover the hole. I'm going to use some tacky glue and a little hot glue to secure that. And then to embellish a little bit more, I used a piece of jute and just wrapped that right around the 4 sides using the hot glue. Now if you're liking this video so far, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and also share and comment down below, because you guys know I love and I enjoy reading your comments. And then once that was done, I cut that off, use my lighter, and I'm just burning off the little fuzzies. And then I just twist the ends and glue them down. And this little planter box, a little box. Oh, right here I think I should have used the bigger one and left this one, because this one is a little tiny, and I didn't realize it was so tiny until after I was done. But anyway, I got it done and I love it. Let me know what you think. And here I remembered that I should have applied some Mod Podge. So I took the Mod Podge and the fan brush and applied that right around the box. And I'm trying to get my lemons to fit in there, but of course they were too huge. And those lemons I made last year using the little onions from one of Dollar Tree onion picks, and I thought that they look so much like lemons. And then just to let you know what I was selling my lemons for, I took the black paint pen and wrote 10 cents. So there you have it, 10 cents per lemon for my lemons. Now this is the open collab of talented creators, and that's hosted by Aurea from DIY with Aurea and Ray from One Way Designs 238, and the co-hosts this month, Twisted Serenity and Loli from Loli D's Creations. Guys, I leave links to their channels in the description box below, as well as the playlist, so please check them out after you get done watching my video. This is a wooden lemon that I got from Woodpecker's Craft. I am an affiliate. My link is in the description box below. So I took some of the yellow paint and I painted that both sides. And just to tone it down a little bit, I used a little bit of white paint with the sponge dabber. And then after I applied that, I took the heat gun and I dried it. And now it's all dry. Here I have my printouts again from the water slide decal. I cut out the words fresh lemons, trimmed those down, and then applied them, and I flipped that around and I applied the summertime. And I took the red paint pen and I wrote on the 25 cents, and then on the reverse side I wrote fun. So we have summertime fun and fresh lemons for 25 cents. Now this one is a little bit more expensive than the one previous. Can I tell you, this is real solid wood, so this lemon is a little bit more expensive. Now as you can see there, I was so distracted and I took the white paint that I thought was the Mod Podge and messed up my lemon. But anyway, I fixed it. So if you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, welcome. I'm so happy you joined me today. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, and some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls and thrift flips. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. Now for DIY, I'm going to call this DIY 3 and 4. We're making cushions, little mini cushions. These are fabric quarters that I got from Walmart last year. And I used them to make summertime DIYs last year. So now I'm cutting out 2 pieces. And this is self-explanatory because I made cushions using the same procedure in this video right here. I link that there so you can check that one out. And once I had the 2 pieces cut out, I'm using Fabric Fusion. I got this from Dollar Tree. And here, guys, I would recommend that you put on a finger protector. I'm using my bare finger to just rub the glue into the fabric, which I do not recommend because this is chemical and you don't want that seeping on into your pores. So use finger protector for this. I'd like to let you know that I am on Instagram, Pinterest, and I am also on Buy Me a Coffee. And all the links can be found in my link tree in the description box below. Now once I had them both cut out, I turned them over and used the scissors to force out the points. Now, like I mentioned, the video that I tagged earlier will explain a lot more in detail as to how I made these cushions just using the glue or the hot glue. Then when I got them both turned out, I used polyfill to fill them and used the glue again to seam. And as you can see, this little part here was not secured properly, so I had to use a hot glue for that. And once you fill them, fold in the seam at the top, use the Fabric Fusion or the hot glue to secure the opening. And your little cushions will be done. And here we are at the final reveal. Here they are, guys, 5 summer DIYs. And that rolling pin I made in another video. That one was published yesterday. I'll link that on the end screen. You can check that out. But I love them. Let me know what you think about these and whether or not you're going to create these. And guys, don't forget to check out the host channels in the description box below, as well as the co-host and the playlist. And if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so before you leave. And also like and share this video because it really does help my channel to grow. And if you love budget-friendly content like this and you would like to watch more, I suggest this video right here. Or for even more binge watching, this playlist. And guys, stay safe until my next one. Bye!